So that's why I called this tattoo the angel behind my music, because she was an angel that was inspiring me to write songs, and the songs were about her.
Thank you! May nagpadala ng heart.
What? Ano necklace yan? Ay,
Medyo pangit yung design Parang ang pangit pala. Ba't dalawang bilog? Hala guys, ang pangit pala ng design nitong kwintas ko. Thank you! May nagpadala ng heart.
what? Ano necklace yan? Ay,
Medyo pangit yung design Parang ang pangit pala. Ba't dalawang bilog? Hala guys, ang pangit pala ng design nitong kwintas ko. Nakita ko ngayon. May dalawang itlog dito, tapos mamahaba. Ano ba yun? Diyos ko, to kwintas ko. Ang pangit, be. Ang pangit pala nung nabuo ko. Siguro kaya tumatawa yung binilihan ko kahapon.
dalawang itlog sa gilid, tas may isang mahaba sa gitna. Ano ba yun?
Ang pangit pala, Ano ba yan? I find it cute, pero nakita ko ngayon sa live. Diyos ko, censored
my
naman
God.
pala to. Alam niyo mga my loves, binili ko to for Katie, tapos ganito yung itsura.
Bakit ganyan yung itsura? Ba't kailangan ganyan yung shape?
Kaya nga dalawang... Naiiyak na naman ako. Ano ba naman to?
That's funny. Look at that. Pero ang
Guys.
cute nga, no? Ang cute.
Hindi naman talaga yan yung ibig sabihin ko. Alam mo yon? Yan talaga lang kasi yung mga shape nila Ito fluorite to for memory. Itong moonstone, pang pakalma.
Explain
Itong
pa
rose
more.
quartz to feel love.
Nakakakalma naman
Itong
talaga yan.
amethyst, pang parelax. Tapos pero
yung
ba't
mahaba?
ganyan naman yung lumabas?
Ano yung mahaba?
Fluorite.
Fluorite.
Parang ang baboy naman ito na.
Fluorite.
Kasi dalawang bilog.
Ano ba yan?
Iba din yung nakikita ko eh.
Ano ba yan? Parang... Censored. You know?
Ay, Walya. That's funny.
Nakakaloka! Hindi yun yung iniibig ko sabihin. Ngayon ko lang yan napagtanto yung nangyari dyan. Pero kailangan ko kasi talaga tong fluorite. Ito yung pang memory. Siguro kaya tawa ng tawa yung nagkakabit ng kwintas kahapon. Tapos binigay ng... Alam niyo ba, hindi to pinabayaran sa akin. Tuwan-tuwa pa ako. Siguro pinagkatawanan niya yung itsura nung nangyari. Ayan, okay na?
Parang hindi.
Ano ba? Ba't ganun?
Dapat, tama naman yung kanina eh. Kaso, sagwa lang tingnan.
Ang sagwa. Siguro ito na lang papasuot ko kay Katie.
Yan.
Wag na yung sa memory. Ako na lang yung sa memory kasi na ako brain fog. Ito na lang yung kanya. Yan na lang.
Okay na yan.
Nakakaloka naman yung may pahaba Diyos ko.
Or separate necklace na lang yung fluorite.
Oh, thank you so much, everybody. Nakanood na ba lahat sa Blue Up ko, yung bagong post ko, guys? Napanood nyo na yung bagong post ko, yung Asukal de Papa? Napanood nyo na ba yung Asukal de Papa?
Ako na.
Ayan, Chris. Mag-update lang ako. Nakabili na ako ng large na panty. Ito, Yan. Tatlo siya.
Bakit large?
Totoo
Hindi
yan,
naman-
mga my loves. Tatlong large na panty na. Bumili tayo. Ba, maliit lang to.
Talaga?
Ilabas ba natin? Ano ba? Hindi, wala naman tayong ibig sabihin sa panty, guys. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, tumaba na ako. Kakakain. Yun lang sinasabi ko. Sabi ko, Chris, tumaba na ako. Ang sikip na pati panty ko. Ganon. Wala naman tayong ibig sabihin sa panty, ha? Huwag niyong bigyan ng ano yan. Huwag kayong green-minded, ha?
Mahiwa.
Yun lang yun. Nakita niyo naman yung mga vlogs ko, super laps.
Gutom na ako. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Buong araw. Okay na ba yung kulay na yan?
Pwede na yan.
Pwede na? Tara. Thank you, guys. Okay na. Salamat. Sa bahay na ako
Ayan
magmamadlaw.
guys, para katibayan na talagang lumaki talaga ako. Pati yung skirt large na. Sa akin na te. May katibayan tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung skirt.
Skirt.
Bumili ako ng
Bumili ka ng
skirt. Large na.
La-
Ang sikip ng medium kakakain ko. Napala ako, di ba?
Mall ka lang.
May isa pa.
Kulit naman eh, oh. Large na, guys. Ah, thank you sa bear. Guys, large na tayo, guys. Kain kasi tayo ng kain eh.
Galing naman, may bear ka.
Teka lang. Papakita ko sa inyo ha. Kala mo nagbebenta ako. Sa sukat ko na large talaga siya. Ang sikip kasi ng ng medium.
See.
Ayaw niyo yung maniwala na, na... kasya naman yung medium pero masikip. So, din na tayo sa maluwag. Ay, hindi nga siya maluwag. Sakto nga lang.
Which one is that? Is that the skirt or is it pants?
Oh.
Skirt.
Hip hop?
Large lang ha. Oh.
Ano yan? Hip hop?
Large. Large yan.
Yo yo. Hey, yo yo yo.
Large yan. Hindi, alam niyo, i-share ko sa inyo ba't ako tumaba, guys.
Bakit?
Hindi na ba kong malaman?
Oo.
Ang totoo kasi, hindi ako kumakain ng rice. Pero, nung Holy Week, nasimulan ko kumain ng rice, dire-diretso na siya. I think kaya ako tumaba. At saka puro cake daw.
Tapos
Kaya
wala pa ng gym.
Oo, tapos hindi ako nakakapag-exercise. Pero promise ko yan, babalik tayo dyan.
Nahilo ba siya?
Kahit maglakad lang. Hindi ko naman kailangan talaga mag-super exercise. Di ba? Mag-treadmill lang.
You didn't take advantage of your Venus in 6th house kasi daw.
Kaya nga, ano ba yan, Chris? Di bale, ang ginawa ko naman doon is service to others.
Hindi, mag-IF na lang tayo. Ako naka-IF ako 18 hours. 15 to 18 hours ako.
Ano kasi ako, Chris? Trip-trip
Yes.
na ako. Pag napag-tripan ko yan, dire-diretso yan. Pero for now, wait. Di ba? Tsaka nagluto ako ng favorite kong food.
Tinola.
Yes, pero ano siya ngayon? May bago sa tinola na ngayon.
Did you put okra inside?
Ay, may bago pa doon. Di mo mahuhulaan ano hinalo ko sa tinola ngayon.
No, turmeric.
Sige, 3 guess.
Sige. Prutas ba to?
No?
So, gulay to.
No?
Karne.
Last na hula ka na lang.
Karne ba to?
Pwede.
Tinolang manok?
Yes. Yes. Tinolang manok.
Yeah,
Nilagyan
I
ko
guess
ng liver, chicken liver.
Atay.
Tapos ko yun. Bakit? Di mo nahulaan.
Hulaan ko. Saan galing yung liver? Sa manok.
Basta.
Oh. Diba? Chicken. Tinolang chicken.
Basta meron siya. Wow, thank you so much na nagpa-flower. I love you.
Bago. Tinolang chicken.
With liver.
With liver.
Oh.
and okra. Please put the okras in there.
Yes, bumili ako guys ng Japanese
Oh, may gusto mag-makeup sa'yo, chick.
Sino?
Ito, Saint Peter. Saint Peter Funeral Service.
Gumaganyan ka ha? Parang meron ditong ayaw makausap ng ilang buwan, guys.
May gusto mag-makeup. Taga Saint Peter.
So that's why I called this tattoo the angel behind my music, because she was an angel that was inspiring me to write songs, and the songs were about her. The reason I said that was because some of you guys were commenting na please release a new song. So I am releasing a new song. Ice Boo 27, welcome to KL Exclusives. Some of you guys were asking me to release a new song. June 24 of this month, I'm going to be releasing a new song. And that one is called Unlove You. And it's about one person in your life that you can never unlove. So yes, I like to draw inspiration from my real life, because I feel like that's the way you guys get to know me. I think that's what a lot of singers do when they write songs. They write it about their own life, because that's our way of connecting to the world. Tell our own story. The Mellow Girl, welcome to KL Exclusives. And so going back to the song, it's called Unlove You. And I've just been noticing that medyo since naging okay kami ni Kat, marami akong nilalabas na kanta. I guess you could, yeah, say that it's definitely inspiration, right? And going back to the tattoo, this tattoo, if you can see everything behind it, it's all music, right? And what I named the piece of the tattoo, thank you, Jack, was the angel behind my music. That's what I called the angel behind my music. Because that day, when we first got together, 2008, ang dami kong ginawang music, ang dami kong sinulat na kanta. And since I'm from the States, gusto ko talaga original, right? So when I won the contest, gusto ko talaga maglabas ng original agad. But nung time na yun dito sa Pinas, ang uso was mga cover songs, diba? Yung mga covers. Me and JR didn't really like that, and we didn't come here to sing covers. We wanted to make a mark here in the Philippines. So I was signed to Star Records at the time. They made me do When I See You Smile. They wanted me to do another one, but I kept pinipilit ko original song, and they didn't really like the songs that I was writing, because I guess it's English. But they let me sneak one in, and it was called Part of Me. And ang pangit ng production nun, but the song is pretty good. Mind you guys, this was like written in 1999. Okay. Now, pumayag naman sila, and they picked Kung Malaya Lang Ako. So I was very, very blessed that the first original song that I wrote, that I released as an artist here in the Philippines, nag-hit siya. So thank you guys for the support. And the next album, I moved to MCA Records, and they wanted me to do a full covers album. So yan na naman tayo, guys. So covers. And then syempre, I was like, I don't want to do covers, right? I want to do original songs. So they let me sneak one original song on that album, and it's called Moments of Love. The album was called Moments of Love. It's a red background. I think I have, basta you can Google it. It's called Moments of Love. And I remember when we first got together, si Chiki nakatira sa isang condo, and lagi ako nandun. And she was always taping. She was always taping. Sobrang busy niya nung time na yun. Even now, she's busy, but nung time na yun, grabe. And I remember writing a whole bunch of songs about her. And they let me sneak one song on the album, and it was called Moments of Love, because it was the song was about, if you listen to, you guys can go on Spotify, listen to Moments of Love. So I played the piano, I produced it, I sang it. And to my surprise, that song got me my first Awit award. It was not a single, but that song was qualified to be the best R&B recording of that year. I believe it was 2009 or 2010. And that was the first time I got my first Awit award. And it's called Moments of Love. So that's why I called this tattoo the angel behind my music, because she was an angel that was inspiring me to write songs, and the songs were about her. So that's the story. My children haven't taken the bath yet. Bakit?